Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Notion for university notes. First, create a dedicated university workspace in Notion. This central hub will house all your academic materials. You can start with a pre-built student dashboard template to quickly organize your courses or build one from scratch. Customize your dashboard with essential links to syllabi, assignment trackers, and study resources, ensuring everything is just one click away for maximum efficiency. Next, let's explore effective note-taking. Leverage Notion's toggle lists to create an active recall system, hiding detailed information until you're ready to review. You can embed lecture slides and PDF documents directly into your notes, keeping all relevant materials in one place. Furthermore, utilize linked databases to connect notes across various courses or related topics, building a comprehensive knowledge network for deeper understanding. Managing assignments is crucial. Build a master assignment database within Notion, tracking due dates, submission status, and linking directly to relevant course pages. Utilize the calendar view to visualize your entire workload and upcoming deadlines at a glance, helping you prioritize effectively. Set custom reminders for each assignment, ensuring you receive timely notifications and never miss an important submission, keeping you on top of your academic responsibilities. Finally, enhance your study and revision. Construct a spaced repetition system using Notion's toggle lists and linked pages to optimize your learning. Develop a dedicated study tracker to monitor your progress across all subjects, identifying areas needing more attention. For group projects, easily collaborate with classmates by sharing specific Notion pages, allowing real-time editing and streamlined communication, making teamwork more efficient and effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.